How to check TikTok watch history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can check TikTok watch history. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply select Settings and Privacy. And now here, once you are in the Settings and Privacy section, simply scroll down and tap on option labeled as Activity Center. And now here, once you are inside the activity center, there you can see the option labeled as watch history. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll see all the videos that you have watched recently. And here you can rewatch it, like or save them for later. And that's it. That's how you can check your TikTok watch history step by step. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.